don't know if you put this story in here, but Tim Cook's actually going to go there. Oh, here we go. Tim Cook is going to open the first Apple stores in India, Mumbai, and Delhi next week. And you know Tim's a busy guy. So if Tim shows up, if Tim comes for a visit, it matters to him, and more importantly, it matters to Apple.
Sure.
Because Apple matters to him. And so I guess people are going to get a chance to go down there and meet him. It'll probably be absolute mayhem from a security perspective. Apple Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook has scheduled a trip to open the iPhone maker's first stores in India next week, underscoring the company's ambitions for the country as a growth market and manufacturing base. Don't forget that. It's a double down. It's a double dog.
He'll probably visit the factories.
It's a double dog dare you. Oh, no, not the double dog dare you. I dare you. I double dare you. A double dog dare you. Is that the ultimate of dares?
Dare I go triple dog? That's too much? Okay.
Did you ever have to play those games truth or dare?
Yeah.
And which were you more likely to pick?
Probably dare.
You're taking the dare.
I was like a rambunctious kid.
You're the daring. You're the daring one.
It's like, yeah, I'll do it.
What is it?
You don't even have to, play that game.
Cook is likely to preside over the opening of the twin outlets in India's financial and political capital. People familiar with the matter said, asking to remain anonymous, discussing private plans. Apple said Tuesday it'll open a store in Mumbai on April 18th and then Delhi April 20th. So he gets to do both in one trip. It's a long flight, Will. The trip comes 7 years after the CEO's maiden visit. Oof. Last time he was there was 2016.
Wow.
You see what I'm saying? This doesn't happen very frequently. It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
I guess COVID messed that up a little bit, but it is a big sort of symbol that, hey, this market matters to us. We're going to send a CEO over to open a store. He's going to take a little India trip. Now, they've been doing online sales in India. It's important to mention. But they're not absent or anything. And then the manufacturing thing has been expanding rapidly. But this is just a retail footprint, which for Apple is a really big deal. It's a different type of presence once they go in there and pick a spot, and then they sort of become a cornerstone in a lot of these places, and they tend to stick around for a while. It's a rare occasion that you see an Apple store shut down once it's open.
Yeah, and I'm guessing this is a developing story. Once he's there, there's probably going to be a lot of news stories. So, yeah, a lot of pictures.
Oh, a lot of pictures. Let me ask you this. Special outfit or no special outfit? Because some people will go, oh, that's appropriation. Even if someone gave it to him, handed it to him, or oh, you're just trying to get the brownie points going on as far as like. But then other people will say it's like
a matter of respect. Like
I don't know enough. I don't know enough about this stuff. I wear the same thing all the time.
Yeah,
and it's going to be a hard one for me if somebody's like, well, you should try this other outfit. I'm like, I'm pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good question. I wonder last time he was there.
Yeah, he did. He did a scarf. So is that
subtle. It's got to be subtle.
You're expecting a scarf.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not?
Okay. All right.
Oh,
he went a little further than the scarf. He's going deep. Yeah. Some people in the chat here, routines are great, Lou. Yeah, trust me. I know.
Yeah, big fan.